Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí the Yoruba quiz. Ìdánwò ìmọ̀ gbogbogbò. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti ṣetán? Domestic animals are called what in Yoruba? Ẹranko ilé. Wild animals are called what in Yoruba? Ẹranko igbó. Farm animals are called what in Yoruba? Ẹran ọ̀sìn tàbí ẹranko ọ̀sìn. What is buying and selling called in Yoruba? Ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ eléyìí? Káràkátà, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. What is a businessman or woman called in Yoruba? Oníṣòwò, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. What is supermarket called in Yoruba? Ilé ìtajà. What is restaurant called in Yoruba? Ilé ìtajà oúnjẹ. What is boutique called in Yoruba? Ibi ìtajà aṣọ. Ẹ ṣé. What is House of Assembly called in Yoruba? Ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣòfin. What is House of Representatives called in Yoruba? Ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú. Law enforcement agencies are called what in Yoruba? Àjọ agbófinró. A president is called what in Yoruba? Ààrẹ. Someone who assists somebody is called what in Yoruba? Olùrànlọ́wọ́. A governor is called what in Yoruba? Gómìnà. How do we refer to a rich person in Yoruba? Olówó. How do we refer to a wealthy person in Yoruba? Ọlọ́rọ̀. A two-story building is called what in Yoruba? Ilé alájà méjì. What is computer in Yoruba? Kọ̀ǹpútà. What is mobile phone in Yoruba? Ẹ̀rọ alágbèéká. Post office is called what in Yoruba? Ilé ìfìwéránṣẹ́. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ tí ẹ bá wa dé ibí. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ kọ oye tí ẹ gbà sí ìsàlẹ̀? A ó máa dúró dè yín níbẹ̀. Ẹ ṣé gan, ó dìgbà.